Wow, our camera's so great, honey. We really have not had shit to vlog because, you know, everybody's been in the house, bored in the house, and we're in the house bored.
Wait, so y'all really didn't need the stuff?
No, we do. Come and see. I'm serious about that part.
Oh.
Alright, y'all gonna take the shot? Patron? Oh yeah, that's what we did.
Where's the bottle at? The Dirty 30!
Happy birthday to you! Cheers.
Cheers. Guys, I've been so busy taking pictures and getting ready. I forgot to show you guys how I look. So when we get outside, I'm gonna show you my full look. Come on.
It's cute. Everybody's ready? You have the ID? Everybody have the ID?
Yeah. We're on our way to Berkshire House.
It's called Berkshire House.
Get our lock. If you want to get these accessories, go to Head Over Hill Customs or headoverhill.com. You can find us on all platforms.
Okay.
I almost said cosmetics. You should have your own makeup at this point. So, I guess Tamon's the navigator now. I'm really gonna try to get my sister to be influencer, guys. Comment and tell her that she should do it.
No, you really should, Tina.
No, you've been.
I just don't like people in my business like that.
For what business? You're dressing up business? Because that's not business.
For real, you look like a Barbie.
Right.
They don't need to know that I buy clothes for $8.
No. So what? That's good. You should plug the people. You guys are getting so much content today. Jam-packed first day B-Day trip vlog.
I think we have a good person.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think this is fucking lit. Why you ask her? What's happening? I mean, I guess I wanted you to help me figure it out. Why wouldn't it be interpreted either way? Do you want to argue this one? It all depends on you. But there's no commas involved. So she ain't the one or the two can be a run-on tangent. Play with that girl. She ain't the one or the two. Right, so the one to play with. Or she could be, she ain't the one or the two. She's not in top two. So then that means she's three? Yeah, so that means she's a nobody. Like,
talking about
she's
herself.
not even worth it. But that's where the interpretation gets in.
But a compliment.
No, what he's saying, what she's meaning is like
different ways.
No, she's still talking about herself.
No, but you don't know that. How do you know that?
Does not add possession.
However, this sentence you can be interpreted different ways.
No.
First of all, how do you know that she's meaning?
Katrina.
But how do you know that she's meaning herself?
Why would she say don't play with another person?
Don't play with. All right, let's argue that she's talking to herself. Don't play with me. I ain't the one of the two. Don't play with that girl means other person. Don't. You're talking about she's talking about herself.
Don't play with that girl. She ain't the one of the two.
So if we're talking about who she is.
That was good. Oh. I'm like freezing. We are walking to the Hollywood sign in theory right now. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. This is a steep hike and I'm litty, okay? We done took about 5 shots. Why is my husband getting naked, Lord? Connecticut's also special in that, yo. Down south they play no Jamaican music. Oh, of course not. None at all. It's crazy. You bought shades, honey?
No. Oh, here we is. Santa Monica. Here's the pier. Here's some fruits with some seasoning salt. It ain't bad. Birthday girl missing. I said go moss on them. What, getting it? That's what I'm trying to do too. Rolling up. High as shit. Right, around the goddamn bike. Drunk.
Charlotte, come here.
Okay, and that's good. That's the end of it. All right. Okay, guys, so we're going to this place called 40 Love.
We usually do last call for kitchen around like.
Oh, it's recording? Yes.
Someone is
Oh, I started already. That's okay.
What are you rating the food? Scale 1 to 10. It was good. A 9. Yeah, what about you guys? 1 to 10? On 9? Yeah, even the nachos too? Yeah. Yacht day! Okay. Yeah. All the liquor's got. Henny's done completely. Yeah, we got juice. What do you say, baby?
This. Woo! That was a drink. Did you have fun, baby? Yeah? Yeah. Are you gonna go get stuff? A little bit. So how do you guys feel? The boat trip was fun? Yeah, it was good. Yeah. You get a picture of her walking down the straightaway? I mean, a video? Oh, well, yeah, she's gonna have to give us all that shit, but. Now we're gonna go to the house and have a party. We got speakers on that, right?
Yeah.
This is me. Nope. I gotta get
That's all I'm saying. I'm gonna get Jazz some for her birthday.
Oh, I told my grandma we're gonna get her some cream for her arthritis while we're here.
Ooh, near the court.
So it's this way, right?
Oh, cool. Baby, I'm not always there when you call. Always on time.
Even the hobo is up.
No, fact. We're trying these chicken sticks from this place. A day of eating. No, I'm excited for these authentic burrito tacos though.
Yeah. Is that like what he found? Like,
yes. This is us, guys. And we're off. Back to New York we go.